Begin by launching PowerPoint on your computer. Once the application is open, locate and open the presentation that contains the notes you wish to remove. It is important to ensure that you are working on the correct file before proceeding, as these instructions will affect all slides within the presentation. After opening your presentation, direct your attention to the menu at the top of the screen and click on the menu item labeled File. This action will allow you access to various options and settings related to your presentation. Navigating through these file options is a crucial step that sets the stage for further actions needed to remove unwanted notes. With the file menu open, the next part of the process involves selecting the section commonly referred to as Info. In this section, PowerPoint provides important details about your presentation, including the file's properties and permissions. The Info section is where you will find additional tools designed to help you quickly prepare your presentation for sharing, including options to inspect content for hidden elements. Within this Info section, look for a command that is typically labeled as Check for Issues. Selecting this option will display a list of actions you can take to review potential items that might be found within your file. The Check for Issues command serves as a gateway to tools that enhance the security and privacy of your presentation, ensuring that sensitive or unwanted information is not inadvertently shared. After clicking on Check for Issues, a further option becomes available called Inspect Document. This tool is designed to scan the entire presentation for any hidden or personal data that you might not want others to see, such as presentation notes. The Inspect Document feature is a powerful tool that systematically checks every element of your presentation, allowing you to confidently remove any content that is not intended for your audience. Once the Inspect Document window appears, you will see a list of items that you can scrutinize. Among these options, locate the one referring to presentation notes. To instruct PowerPoint on what specifically should be examined, check the box next to presentation notes. This step tailors the inspection process to focus solely on the notes section that may contain comments or reminders added during the creation of your slides. With presentation notes verified via the checkbox selection, initiate the inspection process by clicking on the button commonly labeled Inspect. The software will now take a moment to review all of the slides in the presentation and report on the findings related to the notes. Following the inspection, the next action is to remove the identified notes from every slide. When prompted by PowerPoint, choose the option to remove the notes. This command seamlessly deletes all notes across your presentation, ensuring that only the visual and textual content that you intend to share with your audience remains visible. By following this clear sequence of steps, you can quickly and efficiently remove notes from all slides in your PowerPoint presentation. This process not only streamlines your presentation for a professional audience, but also helps protect any sensitive content that may have been inadvertently embedded in the notes section of your slides. Enjoy the confidence of knowing your presentation is clean and ready for sharing.